shout out to Hawatoa Mila. There's your shout out. I am at my cousin's house and I am filming a 5-ton ICP HIEL air conditioner. This air conditioner is just like mine, but this is a 5-ton. Mine is a 3 nominal ton, 36,000 BTU. Now, I don't have enough room back here. I have to move that Clorox bottle. That liquid line is cold and sweaty. It's cold and sweaty right now. And the liquid line is a little bit lukewarm, coolish. Yeah, but the liquid line is very cold and sweaty. It is probably about 83 degrees, cloudy skies, and you just saw that the air conditioner just shut off. Yes, and we're going to get thunderstorms here in Santa Fe, Texas tomorrow, Tuesday, and the rest of the week. So this is my opportunity right now to film the air conditioner. Now I will have to get out of this flower bed here. So this is a 5-ton, like I said. And I looked at the data sheet. It's faded off. To get back here again, I'll show you. But I know by looking at this unit is a 5-ton, 60,000 BTU HIEL. Yeah, that heat, that sticker is faded off. I don't know if this is a heat pump. Oh boy, that's not looking good right there. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It is not looking alright. It's very filthy, as you can see. And I am giving another shout out to Carly Reese. I subscribed to her channel, and including our family nest, I subscribed to their channel too. And I hope they're going to be watching this video on my channel. If you have not already, please, whatever you do, subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and family. And let them know, hey, I'm on YouTube. And I film regularly, but I couldn't because my microphone on my iPhone 7 died on me. And I had to get it replaced for free. It was under warranty. I had 19 days left of the warranty, so I had to get it replaced for free. Yay! So now I can now film y'all some more YouTube videos. And thanks. And keep your arms and heart open Be who you are. And remember, God loves you. I love you with all my heart. And remember to offer someone in need help. If they don't ask for it, just help them anyway. And God bless you.